Hi, in this video you will see a watch that was named after this guy here, Mikołaj Kopernik, or in Latin Nicolaus Copernicus, a Polish astronomer, and the watch is made by Raketa from St. Petersburg. And I bought this watch on an internet auction. This is probably Copernicus. If somebody knows Cyrillic, please leave a comment in the section below what is written on this box, because I have actually no idea. Okay, let's take a look inside the box. Okay, and that's the watch, and we have also some papers here. Of course, before making this video I inspect everything very carefully, but this is only to show you what I bought on this internet auction. And this is probably some manual, and here I think that is a production date 13th of September 1994, so it's after the Soviet Union time. So it is a watch built after the crash of the Soviet Union, and the watch of course doesn't work, and that's the reason why I'm doing this video, why I'm doing the renovation and this service. So I hope you will enjoy this video. Let's go on. According to the seller description, this watch wasn't never worn, and from the strap I can probably recognize that it wasn't, but it has some scratches, and on the watch case there is pretty strong patina, but nothing dramatic. Of course it doesn't work. I tried to shake it. Okay, I didn't open the watch since I bought it, so I will open it here first time, but it seems that somebody tried to open it. Okay, the strap I think I will have to throw away to the garbage. And here, yeah, here are visible signs that somebody was opening it, and I hope nothing is damaged, because the watch doesn't work. And according to the seller inscription, it was lying somewhere in the warehouse and nobody was interested with it. Okay, so let's open it. And this watch never saw a wrist, so let's see what is inside. Okay, watch movement. What else should be here? I see here some corrosion. The balance isn't broken, but it's blocked somehow, and it is even possible to wind it, but there is quite a lot of patina. Here we can see this gran, and here's Działano w Rosji, so it's not a Soviet Union watch, it's made in Russia in 1994, so this date there probably was okay. Okay, I will remove the strap. You're probably asking yourself why I'm doing this in this brutal way, but I was trying to, and this is the leather. Okay, let's finish. I was trying to take out this spring bars, but unfortunately it wasn't possible, so I didn't want it to damage anything, and the strap is anyway to throw it away, so I will open it in this way. Okay, you need some force, but anyway we have to be careful here not to break or scratch the watch. And this leather, genuine leather, is only from the downside of this strap, and the rest is some material. Definitely it's not a leather. Okay, it took me some time. Here is the buckle, and the buckle maybe I will reuse. And here, oh, I see there are some signs of life by this movement. And oh, it's alive! From some reason the watch started to work. I don't know why, but maybe it was blocked, but somebody, and here on the case back is also some damage, so somebody was very determined to open the case back. Let's remove the winding steam 2609. So that's the movement, that's the caliber of this movement, Raketa. And we have still there S and U, so Soviet Union. So the parts probably were produced at the time of Soviet Union. Let's take out the movement from the case. First we have to remove these mounting screws. And there are tiny mounting plates, very thin, very delicate, actually untypical by Soviet or Russian movements. Now, Raketa anyway still exists, and now they build very good looking watches. And here is a gap, and we have to just pull this up, or lever on, and the watch is running. That's good. So that's a good sign, and probably I will be able to service it without any problems. Only the service and the watch should work perfectly. And yeah, that's the hands. The black minute hand, it should be the Earth. And Mikołaj Copernicus just moved the Earth and stopped the Sun because he discovered that the Sun is in the center, and that's our hand. So I will stop here. In the next video I will strip down the whole movement and of course assembly it, and we will see how the watch works, and hopefully it will work after the service. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Click the thumb up, subscribe Ticking Watch if you like this type of content, and I hope to see you again very soon. Bye bye.